हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? वेलकम टू माय चैनल एजे टेक एजुकेशन। टुडे वी विल टीच resistance in series circuit. It is defined as when a number of resistors are connected end to end so that they form only one path for the flow of current. Then resistors are said to be connected in series, and such circuit are called as series circuit. As shown in the figure, the resistance R1, R2, R3 are connected from one end to another end so that they form a series circuit. As shown, the terminal point A, B, C and D, they are connected in series form. So the potential, the voltage V across the terminal A to D is the total voltage applied across the terminal A to D. But as the resistors are connected in series form, then the voltage V1 is applied across the resistance R1, V2 is applied across the resistor R2, V3 is applied across the resistor R3. Let the resistors R1, R2, R3 be connected in series as shown. So the potential difference of V volt will be applied between ends A and D. So to cause the flow of current I amperes through all resistors. So the current I is same across A to D. As we know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So the voltage drop across resistor R1 is V1 is equal to I R1. Another, the voltage drop across resistor R2 is V2 is equal to IR2. Similarly, the voltage drop across resistor R3 is V3 is equal to क्या होगा IR3. So the voltage, total voltage across the whole circuit is nothing but the voltage drop across the resistor. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. The voltage drop across the total A to D is, combining the voltage drop across the resistor R1 plus R2 plus R3 is V1 plus V2 plus V3. We will get V is equal to क्या लिखेंगे V1 plus V2 plus V3. We will get IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. As we know that the current is same across the resistors, तो I को हम कॉमन ले लेंगे, R1 plus R2 plus R3. V upon I is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and according to Ohm's law the whole circuit resistance is, say, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the effective resistance R. We will get the formula R1 plus R2 plus R3. So when a number of resistors are connected, if the number of resistors, if n times the number of resistors are connected, so the formula comes R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. So from the above discussion of series circuit, we conclude that first, the same current flows through all parts of the circuit. Second, applied voltage is equal to the sum of the voltage drop across the different parts of circuit. Voltage, applied voltage is equal to voltage drops different resistors. Third point, voltage drop are additive. And fourth, the resistance is also additive. This is the simple series circuit where number of resistors are connected end to end as shown. If you have some doubt, please comment or ask by giving a simple comment or ask a question. Okay, thank you.